Hey man, say man, it's your boy Money Man Rome, and we here today with the 1,400 subscriber special box, man. I'm so proud of y'all. Thank you so much for helping me reach my goal of 1,400 subscribers. That is ridiculous, man. Really can't believe it. And then we finally got a video that hit 500 views on it. This is wild, man. I really appreciate you guys so much, really helping me reach my goal to the point where I'm at now. Hope we got something special for old Char here, something I've been cheaping out on for a while. So this is from NR Racing. This is a new company that I've been synced up with. I was like, change it up. Forget Go Power Sports. Let's go somewhere different. So take this all out. This is the list of everything we got here. So what we got here in this box is we got some push rides, not the stock linked, so don't think these are stock linked push rides. 5.110. We got a racing head, and I don't know if you guys can see, we got 2825 valves. The head is milled 65 thousandths, man. I don't know if y'all can see the titanium. Yep, titanium dual springs with the keepers and everything, bro. And then we got a gasket, the 0.45 thick gasket, because I heard running a thin one is not too good. So I don't know if y'all can see that price. I got it on sale too, $306, dog. You know, and that's even with the tax and the shipping, all that. So now let's open this up and let's get into it. So it's a big box, right? Oh yeah, here we go. So it looks like they gave us a spark plug spacer, and those are lash caps. Lash caps are not put on. So what I did was I went 60-pound dual valve springs. See this? Ridiculous, man. And then, you know, the head is milled. You guys can see this. Milled to 65 thousandths. You know, intake, exhaust, all nice and purdy. Titanium, like this is ridiculous stuff here. You guys can see those 60-pound dual springs. Like, look at that right there. Look at those. Those are ridiculous. And then let's flip over to those valves. See those 2825 valves, man. You know, that's wild right there. And then you see how it's shaved down, like how they actually have it. Like, it's dang near flat. Like, it's really a deck head. Like, you see that? Like, wow. So this should help us make a lot more power, make some more stank out of that little thing. You know, if you think I'm capping, oh yeah, can't push those down, I don't even want to try. And then so for right now, let's put the piece of resistance up, and they also got a little envelope here. Can't keep anything nice. Okay, so what we got in here is our thick, our thick head gasket with the fire ring, and our push rod should be here too. Them chromales, yes, them chromale push rods, man. See, NR Racing 5110. You know, nice push rods. Make sure you order two when you order them, because they come one at a time. So that's nice, very nice. So let's put these back inside here till it's time to bust them things out. And then we also have something even more special. This is something I've been hiding for a while now. these little babies right here. So I was trying to install them on the head that I already have on the bike, but it didn't work out too much, which is why you guys haven't seen them. But these are billet roller rockers. Oh Jesus, I dropped one. Fail. But yes, billet roller rockers, you see. Yes, 1.2 ratio billet roller rockers. Go with the chromoly push rods, man. This should give us, they say these by themselves create 1 extra horsepower. These by themselves. So we're gonna see how much extra stank these things give us. And I also got a new header coming on the way. It's one that's a little bit longer because the one I built is pretty short. And because if I wanna do this next thing that I got, I can't tell you guys everything, but this next thing we have coming up is really going to be amazing. It's going to be a nice color change, and if you guys been watching my videos, you already know what color is coming. But yeah, man, so this is what we have in store. This shaved big piston head, man. So you guys stay tuned for the install on the bike. And once again, I thank you guys so much for helping me reach 1,400 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys so much, and you know, the only way is up from here, bro. But this your boy Money Man Rome. I see you guys later. Everybody be safe. Always keep the shiny side up, man. I'm out.